Since the morning of day 2, weather was excellent for sleeping last night. Couldn't really ask for anything better. Woke up this morning to the river. This was an excellent campsite. Hopefully it kind of continues to be like this, but day 2 trails, I guess, probably get a little bit harder. We got to try to cover a decent amount of ground today. We still don't actually really have a plan as far as where we're going to end up. Whether we continue in the Ozarks here, or whether we go down a little bit further south, or maybe head over to Hot Springs. Don't know. Kind of depends on what the trail conditions are like, and if we can get across the water crossings. There was some yesterday that we couldn't do and had to reroute, but we still got where we needed to be. But I think some of the ones today, that might not be an option. So we'll see how deep the water is. Like I said before, they had some record flooding down here, and stuff's deep. And just with 2 vehicles, we're not going to try to risk anything too severe. So the plan for today is to just see where we end up. We're cutting day 2 a little short, but we found another epic campsite, so it's totally worth it because we can get here and get set up before anybody else finds it. It is kind of secluded off the main trail, so I don't think we're going to have any company, so that should be great. And it's like almost 80 degrees, so we're probably going to jump in, go for a swim, and yeah, catch you tomorrow.